guys, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, back with another video. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my experience that I had having a ride in Nico or Batman's infamous McLaren 765LT, ripping through the streets of Sydney, snapping necks all through the city. It was absolutely crazy and honestly an unforgettable experience. Alright guys, so for a bit of context, as you guys may know, Rex H and Peter from Melbourne came down to Sydney a couple months ago, and while they were here, I lent them the almighty Triple S Pulsar for the weekend, and they absolutely loved it, and I'm so glad they had a good time in that car as well. And yeah, me and the boys, we had an absolute blast hanging with Rex and Peter that weekend, and we were able to film some cracker content together as well. Me and Mems hosted a huge car meet for them too, which I'll link my video up here, and Rex and Mems did videos on that as well, which I'll link there in the description. But I was also very lucky to be a part of a very special video that Rex made on his channel, which if you haven't seen it already, please make sure you do. I'll link it right up here. It's where he basically compared my $50,000 Nissan Silvia S15 to Batman's literally insane $1 million McLaren 765LT, and it's an absolute banger of a video. You guys gotta check it out if you haven't already. And while I was there, I was so lucky to have the opportunity to actually ride in this thing as a passenger through the city. It was honestly an unforgettable experience. This thing is honestly the fastest and most insane car I've ever been in my life. So yeah, massive shout out to Nico, Batman, for giving me a ride in this thing. And yeah, you gotta check out his YouTube channel as well. He puts out some cracker content too. So I've shown a few little clips here and there of my ride in this thing, and I've had so many of you guys message and comment asking for my full experience. So without further ado, here it is. And yeah, please excuse my giggling like a little girl here and there. I was having the time of my life, so hope you guys enjoy. Nah, this is so cool. That is nuts, man. Like, my heart. Bro, I can't get over that, eh? The downshifts are my favorite. Yeah, exactly. Best way to describe it.
It's like you were there and now you're here.
Yeah, it's like teleportation, man. Holy shit. I've never felt anything throw me back that hard. Bro, the crackles. You get the best reactions in this car too, man.
Combination of the car and the colour, right?
Yeah, it just stands out.
And then...
can say is oofed, guys. What an experience that was. Honestly, I still can't get over the fact that I was able to have a ride in this thing. Like, it was absolutely crazy. So yeah, once again, massive shout out to Rex, to Peter and Nico. It was absolutely cracker experience of a day. Peter's also started his own YouTube channel recently as well, so I'll link his channel here too. He's got some mad content as well. If you guys haven't seen it already, please make sure you do show him some love. And once again, if you haven't seen Rex's video on the whole day, the whole experience, I don't know what you're doing. Check it out right now. Like, drop everything right now. Like, leave this video and go watch it. Like, seriously, you can't not watch it. It's the best. Anyways, thanks so much for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time on That Car Life.